Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. In this video I am going to say you uh, about the 0-day support for iOS 18. As you know, iOS 18 is coming and has been announced by the Apple on September 9th, and they have released the RC version as well, which is called pre-release. It's almost final. So now on I think 16th of September the iOS 18 will be rolled out in the public. So if you have devices which is supported to iOS 18, you can upgrade after 16th of September. So we all are very excited because the Apple Intelligence will be coming with iOS 18.1. So the Microsoft, if you are using a Microsoft Intune, managing your iOS devices through Microsoft MDM software, then Microsoft has actually will support from the day one, right? So as soon as the Apple will release, they will keep supporting iOS 18. So as you can mention in this article, Apple has recently announced iPad and iOS 18, and Microsoft is working hard to ensure that Intune can provide day zero support for the latest operating system, so that existing feature work is expected. So, and what will happen with these? As you know, the one of the major thing is AI is coming. Everyone is just curious and just roaming around what is coming with AI, along what is there in the AI, how actually Apple is using AI in their operating system. So most of the company is looking to block or just wanted to know what are the features, how user privacy will hamper within the organization, especially for EU region, right? Because in the Europe, it's because of there is a more user privacy, so they have very strict rule. So other than the EU region as well, people are very concerned about integrations of ChatGPT in iOS 18. So you can see there are many settings available, right? Uh, will be available right from the day one. What are the settings you can block and unblock it? So if I go to quickly without investing time on anything, so with the upcoming September 2409 release, so how you can check the release? You can go to your Microsoft Intune and go to Tnet release. You can see the service release I have 2408. So if you, with the upcoming release of September 2409, the new MDM setting will be, so these settings will include all this, right, everything here. And with the ADE setup, right, with Intune September 2000 release, there will be 6 new setup assistance screen, which is actually I was looking. So if you see here, if you are using the Apple device enrollment for your company devices, right, you can hide these settings, intelligence setting, in your automated device enrollment policy profile, so that your user will not able to see the Apple Intelligence. So you see intelligence, the IT admin can choose to show or hide the iOS and iPad Intelligence setup pane that is displayed during the setup assistance, right? So if you having company owned devices and enrolling your devices through automated device enrollment, I mean, which is called DEP or ADE or whatever you call, you can edit that profile and make it hide. How you can do that? You already know, right? Most of the being as admin, you can go to the iOS, you go to the enrollment, and here you have to create an enrollment enrollment program tokens. I have not integrated push notification, that's why it's grayed out for me. I will do that. But yeah, if you click on the enrollment profile token and edit the profile for the AD or DEP, and just hide this intelligence feature once they will release it with 2409. But make sure your tenant is running on 2409. Hopefully they will release. So this is actually one important thing here to make note. Other than there are few features as well available for iOS devices, where we can disable and enable it. So if you go through this link, you will find all this information there. I don't want to go much detail into it, right? So it has also some information about Mac as well, especially these extensions, right? These can be, you can allow and block under the restrictions policy once it will be available for iOS devices. Till then, thank you, have a good day, and keep watching the video and to get more information and latest information from Apple. Till then, thank you, have a good day.